Hello, Chef David Rose here, Omaha Steaks Executive Chef. And this week, we're going to the Caribbean, the Cubano. Hola. A Cuban sandwich loaded with mojo-braised pork butt, a cilantro-garlic aioli, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard. All cooked on the big green egg. I'm starting to get hungry. Let's get into it.
Let's make a rub for the pork butt. Salt, pepper, cumin, and smoked paprika. Pat pork butt dry on all sides with a paper towel. Season pork butt with dry rub. Let's make a mojo. Garlic, orange juice, lime juice, lemon juice, olive oil, cilantro, oregano, salt and pepper. And blend. Pour mojo into pan and then pork butt. Wrap tightly with aluminum foil. Place into a preheated big green egg grill at 300 degrees indirect heat. Cook pork butt about 5 to 6 hours until an internal temperature of 195 is reached. Cilantro-Garlic Aioli. Mayo, cilantro, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Authentic Cuban bread is a must. Slice the bread and place one side with cilantro-garlic aioli and the other side with yellow mustard. Time to pull the pork butt. Toss the pork butt with a little bit of the braising liquid and salt and pepper. Pile the sandwich high with pork butt, sliced ham, Swiss cheese, dill pickles, and top. Butter goes into the cast iron pan and the Cuban sandwich goes in. Press down with another cast iron and toast on both sides. Serve with a side of cilantro garlic aioli.
This pork butt ain't just for pulled pork.